Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a beautiful property in a nice country setting, something that you only see in fairy tale books. Let's start with the front house. The front house is a two-family unit with the large side having an enclosed front veranda, two bedrooms, one bathroom, one kitchen, living room, dining room, enclosed back veranda and washroom. The small side has enclosed the veranda, two bedrooms, one bathroom, kitchen, back veranda and washroom. The second house, which is the back house, has three bedrooms, two bathrooms, kitchen, living room, dining room, washroom, and the veranda is about 70% completed. The location of these properties are in 3 Chain Road, Mandeville, and the total land area is 8,811 square feet. Some other features of these homes includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, grilled, fully fenced, cable, view of the mountain, easy access to amenities, family oriented, golf course nearby, private setting, low maintenance yard, rural setting, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped, road paved, and pets are allowed in this area. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 18 million or US $117,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.